Hello, it is Friday. It is Friday afternoon and we just got to Mexico. We're in Cancun. Actually, where are we?
We are in Cancun.
Oh, I thought we were not actually in Cancun.
Well, we're at
we don't know where we are.
Not Playa del Carmen. It's Playa del Harris.
Clearly we don't know where we are, but we are loving it already. We just had lunch. It was a really early morning, so we pretty much have a lot of the day left. We just got into our room and it is really amazing. Starting in the bathroom, so interesting. I'm giving you a tour, by the way. And then here is our room. Like, what? And I don't know if you remember from last year, I'm pretty sure I vlogged it. We went to Cabo, and this is a tradition in Grant's family. His grandmother does New Year's Eve trips. She is so sweet. She loves to have fun. And so his mom, stepdad, brother, his future wife, uncle, and his grandma's on the way. So this is pretty sweet. We also have like a little outside area. Like, sorry, I am just like enthralled by this. We've got a little pool out here and you go around. Got a little circle bed. I don't know if you can see me, it's so bright. And you can see the pool and the water. And then coming back inside, oh, it's locked. I'm locked out. Oof, I feel like I'm a mess. We seriously woke up at 4 o'clock this morning again for the second time this week. And then when you come inside, my hair looks crazy. And then when you come inside, you've got a little hot tub action. What? This room is so cool, but I am about to scream if I have to wear these shoes for one more second. Obviously I was dressed for cooler weather in Dallas. And now that we're here and we just ate lunch outside, I'm like burning up. So I think we're gonna throw on our bathing suits and go to the beach or the pool. I'm not sure which one we're doing yet, but I'm happy. I feel like we've been so stressed and running around like crazy, and like, this is like the best gift ever.
Yeah, this is the best way to end the holiday season.
Yeah. Are you naked?
No.
And I feel like such a slug. I was editing my Christmas vlog on the plane. I still haven't gotten it out. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get it out because we're gonna be here through New Year's. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I do know that I really wanna change. Okay, before we change, I realized we've gotta show our outfits because we finally wore these shirts that we got that are semi-matching, definitely.
Semi-matching.
Coordinated. Semi-matching, different colors.
Matching.
They're totally different. We were getting some amazing looks when we were in the airport.
Jealous looks.
I don't know why we're like this, but I'm loving it.
Because we're extra.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing my golfing clothes.
Oh my goodness, I've never seen this look before.
Got my gloves. Got my hat.
That's not a golf hat.
No, it's not a golf hat.
Are there
It's
golf
a party
hats?
hat, bro.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness.
Shades for the sunshine.
All right, it's Saturday. It looks gorgeous outside, and this morning I went and had a massage and it felt so good. And she was working on my shoulders and it was like crack, crack, crack. Like, I swear you could hear it. I could at least hear it within my own body. It was so disgusting and it felt so good. And now I've got my bathing suit on and I'm wearing my flamingo bikini from last year. Not even last year. I got this for the honeymoon. I'm sorry, I totally forgot. This year has been like 5 years rolled into one. But now I'm going down to have some lunch. I think Grant is still gonna be golfing for another hour or two. He was super pumped about that. But now I need to run down and meet up with everyone and have some lunch. Actually, I need my cup rope. Oh, this view is so beautiful. I don't know if I showed it yesterday. I love it. Is that Christmas music? It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I think it's the guy right behind us. How was golf?
It was golf-tastic.
Did you win?
I won by 1 million points.
I knew you would.
18 holes in one.
I knew you would.
Never been seen before. It was a Christmas miracle. I embarrassed everyone there. They're all very
Everyone
shoddy.
within miles was embarrassed. They didn't know why.
They felt it.
Hello? It's so dark in here. Wait, this one. Hold on, let's go to this infinity mirror. Hello. That's a little better. How you doing? All right, I got a new dress. It's my little cha-cha dress with my cha-cha heels. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we can't be friends. I got my cha-cha heels for Christmas. Not really, but I have to say that. I love this dress. I didn't get it in my ASOS haul. I got it later, also from ASOS. Do you like it, Grant?
I love it. Spectacular.
Is it getting foggy? It's so humid. So we're just going to dinner and that's pretty much it.
Boring.
Oh, it smells like a taco in here.
Yeah, room service coming up hard.
Show it off, show it off.
That is your little son.
Yeah, you're out there for a long
I
time.
ate that.
Found his final form. Sport the back. Styling, profiling, sun protection so he doesn't get as crispy as usual.
No crisp. Yeah.
Still modeling. It's like Sherlock Holmes, but
Cool.
cool.
I'm fine, no.
Yeah, you can't jump in there. Descend the stairs.
What is happening back there? So we just got back in from the beach. It's kind of really cloudy and it kind of seems like it's about to rain, but it wasn't raining. We came in and we saw this masterpiece and I have to show you. Behold, Mr. and Mrs. Swan. How cute is this? Here's the top view. Very romantic. We didn't have anything like this before, but I think maybe other people did.
Yeah, we were the only ones that hadn't had one yet.
The other rooms had gotten them.
Maximum.
Yeah, they definitely made up for lost times. Please note that this is a coffee pod on top of the guy's head. This is the cutest thing ever. Do you think it's for our half-year anniversary?
Yeah, I told them.
Oh, it's so romantic.
For our half-year anniversary, we deserve Swan Towel.
Swan Tao bride and groom. For my next career, how do I get this job? Do I have to go back to school? I'm ready. Sign me up, Grant.
We're gonna enroll you in the spring semester.
I need financial aid.
Fill out that FAFSA.
Everybody else said that their pool out here was heated, but I haven't noticed that ours is heated, and I want to test it. Cold. Maybe, is that the button? Uh-oh. What? I didn't know that was gonna happen. This is a picture that needs to happen. Just hanging out.
Make it sexy or we don't eat. No, none of this. None of this funny walking. You're gonna fall. Dancy lady. Fancy lady, the dancy lady.
You know, I see people coming
Come
on their
on.
balconies and they're seeing me acting like a weirdo. Oh my gosh.
You're not wearing these shoes to dinner. Put on your...
They're my only cute shoes. This light looks so creepy. We just got back from dinner. It was delicious, amazing. 10 out of 10, would recommend. And now we have to do a swan transplant. I feel bad moving these swans. I feel like they're an endangered species. We should not move them. Oh gosh, he's moving them. He's moving them. He could not wait for my whole introduction. I get to move the lady. It's their honeymoon. You broke the hat. Oh no. Oh!
You better hurry.
Don't do it. This music.
Yeah, it's 2 pieces.
No! Okay, it's 2 people. 2-man job. She's a lady. Grant's in charge of the flowers. Oh, the romance. It's their honeymoon and they met on Tinder. They deserve everything good.
Nasty freaks, but they deserve love.
Why are they nasty freaks, huh?
Because that's the story we're making for them. Freaky deakies need love too.
Freaky deakies need love too.
This is Mrs. Freaky and Mr. Deaky.
And they need love too. Setting up for tonight. It looks like it might rain. I don't know what we're gonna do in that case. Totally didn't even explain where we are. All right, so we just got to Isla Mujeres. Good.
My Spanish is incredible. My accent is just perfect. You can't even tell that I'm not from here. But we're just doing a little exploring this morning / afternoon, and then we're gonna go back and hang out on the beach, hopefully. And it kind of looks like it might rain. I really hope it doesn't. But right now, doing a little research where we want to go eat, or maybe possibly hide from the rain. Oh no, the rain is starting! Like immediately. Here. Okay, now we're running. It looks like it's about to rain.
So we just got back to the room, and yes, this is the highlight of my life. Look at this little guy. I don't even know what he is. I think he's a baby elephant. He might be Dumbo, but I think I'm taking it home. I mean, obviously we kept our friends over here. They're on their honeymoon. We have to respect that. We're sharing a room. It's cool. They've got their space and they didn't touch them when they cleaned the room. But now we have this guy. I think this is their baby. They had a baby. They had a great night. Maybe right here. No, they're a family. Ow! Oh, I just banged my knee. What do you think?
I think they're beautiful.
It's a beautiful family. What's their last name?
What was your last name downstairs?
Bughost.
The Bughost family.
Congratulations on baby Bughost. All right, we're New Year's ready. Grant's looking very serious.